Are you looking to create a passive income stream? Something that's going to make money for you over and over, even when you're not working? Something that truly puts money in your bank account every single day, like the passive income streams I've set up that have made me hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day on autopilot from something I set up one time. Well, this short little video is going to be unlike anything you've ever seen, because I'm going to show you some diabolical little tactics to maximize your passive income, setting up simple little tools that'll get you paid over and over and over again. And they work like a charm. Some of the major companies are using them, and we're even going to show you a case study of how this is being used on popular channels all over the internet. So if you want to make passive income starting right now, pay attention, because we're starting right now. Hey guys, it's Marcus here, and I've been making money online for the last 18 years full time. I've made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing, my own products, passive income, and all kinds of things. And in this video, I want to talk to you about how to create a passive income stream that pays you even when you're not working. And we're going to go through the details of what does it take to actually build something that's going to get you paid over and over. Now, if you like this kind of stuff and you want to learn more about how to make money online with me, then what I want you to do right now is click the little subscribe button and click the bell notification icon. That way you get the best videos I come out with when I release them, and you can join us here every Wednesday live on our live streams and ask your questions about how to make money online. So go ahead and subscribe and click that bell right now so you can be the first that's notified when we go live and when we come out with new videos. So let's dive right in and talk about passive income. In order to make passive income, you need one major thing, and that is a group of people that is interested in something. You want a group of people that has a problem or needs something or likes something. It could be anything from like entertainment to buying things to guides to calculators, whatever, anything that they're searching for. And I got to tell you right now, as you're listening to me, over 4 million people are searching Google for just those solutions. So we're going to tackle that. But what you need is you got to have that group. Next, what you need to do is you need to create something of value for that group. Okay, so we got to create something of value. Whether it's like entertainment or news or whatever, you got to create something. So let's say you are in the recipe market, right? And you're a good cook. You love to cook. You love all things cooking. Now, what would you do to create that? Now, in order to create passive income, you would need several different things. One, you would need maybe like a newsletter or a mailing list. Okay, a mailing list, we'll put that up here. A mailing list is a great way to create passive income. Because what happens is you're going to, let's spell it right. What happens is you're going to get people on your mailing list, and then every time you come out with some new content or something, you can send it to them. Or if you create content, you could just send it to them automatically in a drip so that they get it over a few days or over a year or whatever, right? Like let's say this for an example. Let's say you have a market and that market is interested in Bible verses. Okay, so your market over here is like Bible verses, right? Here they are, and they're like, we want Bible verses. Okay, and they want Bible verses and stuff like that. Okay, they come to your site and they're like, yeah, I want Bible verses. And you have something on your site that says join my mailing list so that you can get Bible verses in your email every day. Okay, that's the value proposition for the user. It's like you're going to get good Bible verses with explanations and inspirational stuff every single day in your email. Now, what you just did is you got the approval or the okay to email a guy every single day. That's pretty cool, right? So now you can email him every day, and that gives you like 365 different Bible verses that you can use to get them back to your website and create passive income. Because once this guy's on your list, he's going to get those messages automatically. He's going to go back to your site, hopefully buy your offers, use your affiliate links, click on the ads, everything like that. Okay, so that's a great way to do passive income as well. Or if you're doing recipes, you could do like a recipe of the day or recipe of the week. Again, mailing list is a great way to use that. Okay, so a mailing list in your market is one of the best ways to make passive income. Okay, so you just create a little bit of content, set it up, put it on autopilot, and boom, you're off to the races. You can make money. Okay, we've all heard about the money in the list and everything like that. That one's kind of obvious. And of course, you have other obvious ones, like perhaps you can create a blog, right? If you create a blog, then you go out and you create a little blog post, and if it gets picked up in the search engines, boom, You can get people to your blog every single day, make money passively, even when you're not working. Really cool, really easy. An example of that would be like the blog post that I put up, which ranks in Google. Well, I can just go here and go to Google. I don't have to search it. It ranks for Wix affiliate, right? People are looking at Wix as a website design solution, and they want to know if it works for affiliate marketing. So what I did is I made a little video. It took me like 10 minutes to make, made a little blog post, and boom, we now rank on the first page of Google. I think we're like number 2 or 3 or 5 or something like that. I don't know. You do the math, right? And there we are there. That little blog post gets traffic every day. It generates leads, generates sales, even when I'm not working, which is really cool, right? You could do this with any type of keyword. You can do it with anything and get traffic over and over and over again. So a blog, we got a mailing list. Another way to create passive income could be through a YouTube channel. Okay, a YouTube channel can create you passive income by creating your channel and monetizing it with either ads or your own stuff. Now, personally, I like to monetize it with my own stuff, which we're going to get into in a little bit, which is kind of diabolical and cool. And if you're paying close attention, you're going to see what I'm talking about right now on the screen somewhere, right? You're going to see what I'm talking about. Right, very cool. But YouTube channel is good, and you can drive them back to your site, and you can drive them to affiliate offers. You can make money with ads and things like that. Really, really cool, really easy to set up. Another thing you could do is like a Facebook group. Okay, we'll put that up there. You could create a Facebook group like this, Facebook group. Now, Facebook group is a little less passive because you do have to interact and you do have to do stuff for your market and create new content every day or every week or whatever and keep people engaged. So it's a little less passive, but once you get the people in there, you can automate a lot of this stuff. You can also do like an Instagram channel. You can do Twitter. You can do all kinds of stuff. Okay, these are the basic ones where if you go out there, the idea is to get people that are looking for stuff, whether it's Bible verses, affiliate marketing, whether it's making money online, whether it's how to quit drinking, whatever it is, whatever market you're in, maybe financial calculators or whatever, this is what you want to do. Now, let's talk about some of the diabolical methods we can use. Let's say we were in like financial calculators. Okay, and people are looking up financial calculators. If I go to the Google AdWords tool right now and type in something like mortgage calculator, you're going to see that a lot of people look this stuff up, right? So mortgage calculator right here, we got a lot of people. 4 million people a month are searching for mortgage calculator, mortgage home loan calculator, and on we go. Look at this. There's tons of people. So wouldn't you say, or wouldn't you think that if you had some kind of asset or some kind of tool, whether it's a video, whether it's a blog post, whether it's anything really, that this market would be all over it? Now, let me show you something a little bit trickier that's really cool. Let's say these people are looking for mortgage calculators, and you actually went out and bought the rights to mortgage calculators, right? That'd be kind of cool, right? We look at it now, and if you were to go to Google right now, right, like this, okay, and you were to type in mortgage, I have to sound it out for myself. Otherwise, I will type it wrong. Mortgage calculator. Okay, you're going to see there's a calculator here. Then there's also calculators down here like bank rate and mortgage calculator and stuff like that. Right? Really cool. I know this mortgage calculator guy has been up here for many, many, many years, and he has the #1 spot. Right? And he goes here and he has the mortgage calculator. All he did was create a calculator, get it ranked, and boom, he makes money on ads, which is cool, right? And you could get the rights to this. You could outsource it. You can create your own mortgage calculator, everything. I've actually created a few myself, and I've even outsourced like 20 of them, put them on a site, and made passive income that way, sometimes as much as $1,700 a day just from a little mortgage calculator site. And again, the asset is done. Once you build it, once you set it up, it's done. Now, let's get into some little trickier stuff that's actually really cool, because here's the deal. You get the passive income by having this ranking. So if the ranking ever drops, you lose the money, right? Basic. It's like, okay, if I don't get the ranking, if the traffic's not coming in, I'm not going to get the money. So let's talk about ways that you can actually capitalize, that you can actually capture your traffic and reuse it. And I'm going to give you a case study because I promised I'd give you a case study. And I'm going to see if you could guess who the case study is. It's a guy that I can't stand. He's annoying. He puts out conspiracy theorists, and he's basically a marketer, but people think he's like some kind of like truth teller. And that guy's name is Alex Jones. And Alex Jones comes on and he talks about all kinds of conspiracy things and how everything's against you and terrible and blah, blah, blah. Right? And recently in the news, we have seen that this Alex Jones character, which has very little facts associated with his stuff, if you do the research, but this Alex Jones character, because he speaks hate speech, he's actually getting banned from a lot of places. So, like, if you had a site and it dropped off Google, that's like the same as him getting banned. And he's afraid because, like, he gets a lot of viewers, and that's how he makes money, by getting a little supplement and saying, hey, it's the end of the world, and if you take this vitamin, the world won't end for you. Maybe not, but it'll actually put money in my bank. And that's all he's doing, right? He's just selling stuff. And he knows that the money's going to dry up if he has no place to give his visitors content. Because he has like a cult-like following of people who believe all of his junk, and they want to watch his stuff, right? Now, what he did in fear of getting banned is he actually created something pretty cool. So again, as a marketer, as a guy who promotes himself, hey, he's doing a good job. What he's promoting, not so good. And so what he did is he actually made this. Download the free info app. Okay, and his idea here is to get people to download that app so that they come back to him and watch his show. Right? Pretty good, right? Pretty smart marketing. Now, you'll notice on this little video, right down there, there's something that says download Marcus's affiliate marketing toolbar. Right? This is a toolbar that I created years ago. It's really neat. It has all the content that you need to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business. You could go get that toolbar right now for free at affiliatemarketingdude.com. Now notice how I'm doing the same kind of thing, right? I create an asset, this little toolbar, and this little toolbar is going to give you the stuff. So what it looks like is this, right? You go here, and on your Google Chrome, you click the little drop down and you get this toolbar. So you could use this little power search tool. Now this power search tool took me all of I think an hour to set up, and you can actually go in and you can put your keyword. So if we put in mortgage, right, and we hit go, what this tool does is it actually searches for you with all the stuff. So if I want to find affiliate programs for mortgages, boom, there we go. It's going to find all the affiliate programs for mortgages. If I want to check OfferVault for mortgage affiliate programs, boom, it's going to go search OfferVault for the affiliate programs. If I want to find domain names for mortgage, right, it's going to search all the domain names and tell me what's available for mortgage, right? Really cool. You guys are like, hey, this is pretty cool, right? You could look up the Google competition. This is like the timeout method that I teach. It'll show the isolated competition. You can also go through and you can look at Google Trends for the term. Let's see, hey, what kind of trends are there? What's going on? You can also go through and look at the pay-per-click competition. What are people spending? What are the ads? Really cool. You could also go through and you could look at the video competition, right, like that. You could see if there are resale rights products in mortgages, right? So as you can see, like for an affiliate marketer, this is a great tool. Okay, now again, it took me about an hour to set this up, and that's only one of the tools. Okay, the other tools are like the members area login, new from Marcus, start here first, money getting tools, simple sites desktop, niche sites, info overload, and help and support. So really cool, right? You look at this and you're like, hey man, check it out. I want to start here and I want to learn how to start affiliate marketing. And it takes you through the 7-day blog course, which is really cool, right? And this is an asset that I set up one time. Okay, one time. People download it. Right now we have about 5,000 users that use it on a monthly basis over and over. Now, because these users use it, they're signing up for hosting through my affiliate links. They're signing up for my products. They're coming back to my live streams. They're watching my videos. They're joining my mailing list. So this little toolbar is like an asset to me, right? So we could have like a toolbar that's an asset. Tool, bars, and apps, right? Really cool. Now, I'm going to tell you something that's really important. Content structured differently can make you rich. Content structured differently can make you rich.
Content structured differently can make you rich.
Okay, the same exact content that other people are talking about structured differently can make you insanely rich. Look at like Alex Jones, right? A lot of people talk about conspiracy stuff. A lot of people spout false truths and half-ass stuff and talk out of their ass on the internet. We all know them. But he does it a little bit better and a little bit different with his live stream show. Therefore, he makes a lot of money. Okay, really cool. Now, there's a lot of videos and stuff on YouTube about affiliate marketing. There's a lot of search engines you can use with affiliate marketing to learn this stuff. I decided to put it in a toolbar. because of that, people love it, and formatted differently, it works really good. Now, I can go through and I could make a members area and stuff like that. All right, let's put members area here because that's another passive income stream. Members area. Okay, this is known as a membership site. You set some stuff up, boom, you're ready to go. Right? So you go through members area. Now, I can make a regular members area, and I actually have one. Right? If you go to affiliatemarketingdude.com/login, let's do slash affiliatemarketingdude/login, you're going to see my members area. Okay, so if you are a member and you have logins, you're going to see the members area. And you're going to see the Simple Sites Big Profits course, which is a great course, takes you through everything with affiliate marketing. Now, this is a regular members area, but what I did is I structured it differently. You see, what I did is instead of saying, hey, this is just a members area with a bunch of videos, I patterned it as software. Right? Really cool. So what happens is now we have a little software program called the Affiliate Marketing Dude. This software program goes on your computer. Really cool. And it goes into your Windows menu and everything like that. Now watch what happens. It's the same exact thing, except it's positioned as software. Really cool. So now they just go to the members area login, and they're using it in the software version, which looks really cool. It looks like this, and it's all blocked and really nice. Right now, because of this, I'm able to charge a lot more, and instead of a members area, now I have a little software tool. And really all it is a bunch of videos, some tools, and some stuff I created. Now, it's worth its weight in gold to someone who's looking to make money online, but it's actually a relatively simple type of process, right? You just make some videos, put them up. Now, you don't have to go making videos and everything like that. What you can do is you can actually go through in something like the financial calculators. You can go and you can get those calculators, right? You can go here to this site, okay, and you can buy the rights to all these calculators, and they'll actually put them on your site, right? You go through, you get the code, and they're on your site. It's like $100 or something. I think I paid $150 for mine, right? And you go through, and you can actually put these in a software program. And you're like, download my financial calculators if you're interested in budgeting and tools and whatever, right? Think about that. Now you got desktop space on people's computer. They're going to watch this over and over. It's going to make money while you sleep, while you eat, while you wake up, whatever you do. You're going to make money over and over, and it works really good. Okay, I hope you're getting this concept, and I hope it's like an aha moment, because you could do this with a toolbar. You can do it with a software. You can do it with an app. It's all relatively easy to make, and all you got to do is learn how to do it. Very cool. I've made lots of money off of my Affiliate Marketing Dude toolbar. I've made lots of money off of other toolbars. I've made a lot of companies really rich by driving lots of people to their toolbars and things like that. So you want to look at this, because if you want to make passive income, you need to find a group of people. You need to figure out what they want, and you need to give it to them in a different way, a way that they consume it over and over and over again so that you get paid. Very important, very cool, and if you do this the right way, you're going to make lots of money. Now, let's say, for an example, you have a YouTube channel, and you get a lot of views, but you're not making money, and you want to be passive, right? You could create this kind of stuff, and I teach you how to do it in my program at Simple Sites Big Profits, or in Simple Sites Big Profits program. You can actually get that program at simplesitesbonus.com. It's a program I just showed you, and it actually has a section that teaches you how to create these things, how to outsource them, and how to build them for passive income. So if you're tired of like chasing the money and you want the money to chase you, build something of value that a lot of people want, no matter how simple it is, no matter if it took you an hour like the one took me. Build something of value that you can get them to use over and over and over again. And that, my friends, is the secret to passive income. Thanks again for watching. I'm Marcus. Make sure you subscribe, click the little bell, and watch the next video that's going to pop up right here. Right there. Right? And also, get your Affiliate Marketing Dude toolbar. See you in the next video.